Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers onto PDF. So you can see here, I have a sample PDF right here is about 10 pages long. You can see right now it doesn't have any page numbers down here on the footer. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a tool probably most of you already have, and it's going to be called Microsoft Word, right? So let's go to our search bar here and let's search for Word. Let's open it. Microsoft Word. Now let's open our PDF. I already have it here. Let's click on OK. It'll just show us this warning here that will say it'll convert our PDF onto a Word editable document. And you can see now we have an editable document like this, right? Now, the first thing you have to do is that you'll have to proofread your PDF. Since we're gonna add our page number on the footer, we want to delete or move any text that is in the footer here, right? So right now it has a couple of text in the footer. I'm going to delete things that are obstructing it. So you can see right here, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this as well. Okay, great. Now, once everything is set, now we're going to scroll all the way up again, and I'm going to go to the first page here. Now on the first page here, you want to go to insert. Now on insert, you want to go to page number, and then you can pick which style you want. I'm going to go to bottom page, and I'm just going to play number 3. You can see now we have a page number on the way down here, right? You can edit it from the section here as well, add page number like this. You can edit the format as well if you'd like. So number format like this. You can include chapter number if you'd like. The page numbering, it can also continue from previous section, or you can modify it to start at a number you'd like, but just click on OK. I'm just going to click out again. And now we have a page number on our PDF right there. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.